Welcome to the SCL mobile app. In this video, we will walk you through the Messages feature, where you can communicate directly with teachers, administrators, and other school members. Tap Messages at the bottom of the screen to open your inbox. Here you will see all messages you have received. Each message shows the sender's name, their role such as teacher or administrator, the message subject, and the date it was sent. The number badge tells you how many unread messages are in each thread. To quickly find messages you haven't read yet, tap Unread only to filter your inbox and focus on what needs your attention. Tap Sent to view all the messages you have sent. This is a great way to keep track of your outgoing communication. To keep your inbox organized, you can archive messages you no longer need to act on. Simply swipe left on a message thread and tap the orange archive button. The message will move to your archive. To find an archived message, tap the Archive tab. If you need to restore it, swipe left on the thread and tap the green button to move it back to your inbox. Tap any message to open the full conversation. You can see the full back and forth between you and the teacher. Your replies appear in blue on the right, and messages from teachers appear on the left with their name and role. To reply, type your message in the text field at the bottom. You can also attach a file by tapping the attachment icon. Choose to take a photo with your camera, pick an image from your gallery, or upload a file directly. When you are ready, tap the Send button. To start a new message, tap the blue Compose button at the bottom right of the screen. You will be asked to select a recipient from a list of teachers and students. Tap the person you want to contact, then fill in a subject and write your message. You can also add attachments if needed. When everything looks good, tap Send Message. If you have push notifications enabled on your device, you will receive an instant alert whenever a new message arrives, so you never miss an important update from your school.